In the function-based metrics, this is an example. We want to use the function point metric, and this is a simple flow diagram for a user interaction function in, say, a safety, security, safe home system. So there is a hardware where whether you are going to key in, and there will be a software inside it. So the function manages user interaction. What is the user interaction? For example, accepting a user password in order to activate or deactivate the system. This allows inquiries on the status of the security zones and the various security sensors, whether they are working, not, my parking is safe or not, whether my kitchen sensor is working, and then display of some prompting messages, also sending some appropriate control signal to various components of the security system. So these are the function managing the user interaction. But our idea is to compute the function point. So what are the three external inputs? We need to find out EIs. What are EIs? External inputs. So what are the inputs? Password is an input. The panic button is an input, external input, and the activate and deactivate is the external input. So how many are there? 3. So in front of external inputs, we are going to put under count 3. 3. Okay. How this 3 has come? Now we have 2 external inquiries. What are these? The zone inquiry, which area we are talking about, and which sensor we are talking about. So sensor inquiry. These are 2 external inquiries. So in place of EI, we are going to give the 2 number. Then ILF. How many ILFs are there? System configuration file. So we have 1 ILF. So let us give ILF as 1. 2 external outputs are there. So these are messages which are going outside and sensor status. So these are 2 external outputs being given. So we'll put external outputs as 2. Now what are EIFs? The external interface files. For example, your test sensor, zone setting, activate, deactivate, whether it is not done or not, what is the test status, and the alarm alert. These are external interface files. So we'll put 4 here. Now we have a count for each of these input parameters. Now we need count total. So let us assume that it is simple. We are putting the weighing factor for simple, and these numbers are empirically already found, and these are specific to certain application. So average, complex, these are already empirically predetermined value. So we are not taking average and complex right now. We are just saying that, okay, let us use it for a simple functionality. Okay, so we will not use the last 2 columns. Now we have to multiply the first 2 columns one by one. 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 7 is 7, 4 into 5 is 20. Now we'll add them. Summation 50. 50 is our count total. This is our count total. Okay. We need to go for sigma fi. So let us say that it is 46 for a moderately complex product. But I need to tell you how this sigma fi has come. So these are all the general system characteristics. Now you have to give a value from 0 to 5 depending upon the importance of these system characteristics in your software or a product in terms of usability. For example, data communication you give 2, online data entry give 4, 5, reusability 0. So every number you have to give between 0 and 5 and just add them. And just assume that that number is 46. You can try with any other number, 40, 50, it will be below 70. Okay. So now this addition of these numbers, each number between 0 to 5 assigned to these 14 system characteristics, you add them, and I am just saying that it is 46 to make our computation easy. So this is 50. This is how much? This is 46 by adding all these. And then the final computation, 50 is the total count, 46 is the sigma fi, and the actual functional point is 56. 56.